Morning guys, so right now we are in Sahara, kind of, because we are in Gran Canaria. This is the dunes, the natural reservation in Mas Palomas, and we came here yesterday with a plane with Canary flight for 20 euros from Tenerife, so it was very cheap. And now we are here, we are going to explore this beautiful island a little bit, so see you! Morning guys, so we are in Gran Canaria Island and right now we are on Amadores beach. It's quite popular beach, it's quite nice as well, but it's quite overcrowded for us. The first impressions from Gran Canaria were quite disappointed after Tenerife, because Tenerife was an amazing island and we came to Gran Canaria and it have not so many things to do here, and the islands itself, it's not so beautiful as Tenerife, but it's okay. We've been surfing yesterday in Las Palmas. I didn't record anything because I didn't have GoPro with me, and now we are just going to chill out on the beach, so see you later. Hi guys, so we have next day in Gran Canaria and finally we found something interesting here. We are in Barranco de Guadayeque and it's beautiful valley. You have beautiful canyons, beautiful nature here. It's in the mountains, it's not so far from the airport, and it's quite nice to walk here, to hike here a little bit. You can also grill here if you take some things with you. You have here also some restaurants that are actually in the rock, so you are eating in the cave. And we are going to explore it here, so let's see.